everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome to my channel. I'm Katie, and if you've seen my other videos, you may notice that my bedroom looks a little bit different than last time. So we actually did another bedroom update. I loved my dot wall, but it was time for a change, and I just wanted more of a cozy feeling, and I think that this slat wall was the perfect way to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure that you like and subscribe. I have new videos every Thursday. So unfortunately, the first step in this is getting rid of the dot wall. I really did love it. It was one of my very first DIYs. I'm pretty sure this was my very first ever accent wall too. So covered it with a couple coats of glacier white and said goodbye. So on to the next, and let's see how this turns out. I had this idea that we'd go to the hardware store and I would film us loading up all of these 1x2s. It's really not that impressive. The best part about this, it was super simple. We took and sanded down all the boards. That was what took majority of the time. Jordan cut them down all to the longest length that we found from the floor to the ceiling. And we did end up having to trim some. And after that, we brought in all the boards. We started in the very middle of the wall, working our way out, and just using brad nails. We didn't end up using any contact adhesive or anything. I wanted to make it easy if/when we ever go to take it off the wall. So our spacer is just an extra 1x2, and we're just pushing really hard to keep them together, and then just using the brad nails, we did about 5, kind of keeping it in line, going all the way down the wall, or all the way down the slat, sorry. And this is the very last board. It took us pretty much an afternoon to do, so not too bad. So the best part about this slat wall was that it kind of turned into a mini room makeover. I ended up changing up a couple other things in the room that you'll see, and I think it came together really good. We're still working on it, but it feels so cozy, and it's just the best spot to come home to at the end of the night. So let's take a look. So the next thing I wanted to change was this little stand underneath the TV. It didn't really flow with the new cozy vibe of the wood slat wall, so I had another stand downstairs and ended up just swapping them. And this one I love the wood textures of it. I think it looks way better. I just added some plants to the ceiling here to hang. They are real, but they're fairly easy to reach. So just a little philodendron and a spider plant. I also had this little cork board, and I thought it would be so cute for our Polaroid camera pictures. They didn't really have a spot, so I think that worked out really well. And our side tables, obviously they don't hide cords the best, but it works for sure. And I just love the wood look. I left them natural. I just felt like it was such a good vibe. As you can see, I didn't actually fill the nail holes. So all we used to attach this was a brad nailer, as you saw. If you really, if this really bugs you, you definitely can. You could just use a little wood filler and fill them and then just sand them down. You would never see them. But we kind of did them in rows, and honestly, when you stand back here, you hardly notice it. So it wasn't worth it to me to fill them all. It would have taken quite a bit of time, and yeah, just wasn't gonna happen. So we did manage to go straight across the wall. We only cut down one board over here, and other than that, they're just 1x2s that you buy, and it's super simple. So let me know if you guys try this out, and let me know what you think. Alright, so that concludes the room. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you do. Make sure that you like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next Thursday.